Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started on our hands and knees. We are just going to take a few cat-cows. Cow pose, arch your back as you drop your belly low, looking up. Cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin. Let's move through those cat-cows at your own pace. Really take your time. We are just warming up before our workout. All right, let's get into this workout. Lower down on your forearms. We are going into our donkey kicks. Flex your right foot and kick your right foot up towards the ceiling. And now lower your leg back down. Let's repeat that. So you kick up and you lower down. So let's keep doing that. Make sure you engage your core by pulling your navel in towards your spine and keep your back flat. You can do this. Give me 3 more. Last 2. We're going to hold it up on this last one and pulse your leg up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's just hold it here for 10 seconds. You are breathing. Lift your leg up a little bit higher and flex that foot. And lower down. So proud of you, but no breaks. We are on our hands for fire hydrants. Lift your right knee out towards the right side of the room and then lower your leg back down. So again, we lift that leg and we lower down. Let's repeat that. You already know to engage your core. Just give me 3 more. Last 2, you already know. Hold it up on that last one. Let's pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now just hold the leg there. Lift it up a little bit more. Hold it and lower down. Let's straighten that right leg behind us. Flex the foot. Kick the leg up. And lower your toes down to the mat. Let's repeat that. Same thing that we've been doing. Engage the core. Keep your back flat. Last 3. Just 2 more. And we hold it up and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it up. Just hold it there and breathe. And lower down. Amazing job, but you know we are not done. Go down on your forearms and let's start our donkey kicks on that left leg. I am not going to cue you as much because you already know what to do, so just get started with those donkey kicks to the back. Last 3, last 2, and 1. We pulse up 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and just hold the leg up. Flex your foot, lift your leg a little bit higher. Do not give up right now. We're almost done. And lower down. Come up on your hands. You know you go straight into your fire hydrants with that left leg. Lift that knee out to the side and lower it down. Last 3. Last 2. And pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and just hold the leg there. And lower it down, and we only have one more exercise. Straighten that left leg behind you and lift your leg up and lower down. Repeat that and keep that foot flexed. Last 3. Last 2. And we pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and just hold it up. Lift your leg up, straighten it out a little bit more, flex the foot. And lower down. Let's have a quick little seat with our legs straight out in front of us. Stretch out our glutes a little bit. Reach your arms up and forward fold. Flex those feet. Stretch out the backs of your legs. You did so good today. I am super proud of you. You should be super proud of yourself. And let's come back up and cross our legs. Reach your arms up overhead. And bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Great job today. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.